Howdy there, folks. So here we have the CVLIFE 3-9 by 40 scope. It features a 1mm main tube, hard anodized finish that actually isn't too bad. And 40mm objective. It's 3-9 variable power. It's made of aluminum, comes with some scope covers, and it comes with some scope rings for mounting. Let's go ahead and show you some things with these though. First of all, they're way too tall, and they have a flathead Phillips, or excuse me, flathead screw to adjust them to the base, which is never a good idea. They do fit a standard with 20mm Picatinny rail, but they're way too tall, and the construction is questionable on those. The scope itself has capped windage and elevation turrets. They have some like knurling, so they're all right caps. I do like that these are finger adjustable, and they are actually pretty audible and tactile. 1/4 MOA per click. The problem here is you can't set your zero. I mean, you can set your zero, but you can't dial up and back down to zero with these unless you like memorize where it was at. There's no way to set the turret to your 100-yard zero with the turret. I don't know how to explain that any different. Eye box is super short on this. It is supposed to be fog-proof, waterproof. We'll test that in the future. Magnification rings, really small, kind of hard to grasp. We'd like to see that just a touch bigger. It's knurled, so you can grab it. The entire eye box adjusts for your eyepiece adjustment by using this locking ring right here. And it does work, but it's pretty stiff. This thing is interesting. We'll put it that way. We'll put this on the scale and see how much it weighs. .6 ounces, so pretty lightweight. No side parallax adjustment on this. Something to note. Glass at, okay, so at 10 yards or less, it's fuzzy. It clears up probably around 15 yards. A lot of light transmission loss. The reticle is a great beginner reticle. It's not overly thick or too thin. You know, you could probably use this on a 10-22, a pellet gun, an airsoft gun, a Nerf gun for recreational use. I don't know how well it holds zero yet. One thing to note, I don't think the reticle is level with the turret. The glass is pretty fuzzy. You lose quite a bit of light transmission looking through it, but at this category, it's not terrible. So interesting scope from CVLIFE, and this is the 3-9 by 40.